Welcome back, student. In this video, we are going to discuss 10 MCQs from chapter 8, that is basics of trigonometry or introduction to trigonometry. So the first question here is, sin twice theta is equal to sin A is true when A is equal to what? So it is not a big deal. We'll check one by one and see which one of them satisfies the given equation. So let's take first A is equal to 0. So when A is equal to 0, we'll check for left hand side, and left hand side is sin twice A, and sin twice A is considered as 0 here, so it will be 0, so whole thing will be 0 when multiplied by 0. And if we take right hand side, it is 2 sin A, and 2 sin A means 2 sin 0, and sin 0 is 0, so 2 into 0 is again 0. So here we can see that left hand side becomes equal to right hand side for what values of A, and this is nothing but 0, so this will be the answer. This is multiple choice question, so answer will be one of them, so we are not gonna check further. So that's it for this question. Let's move on to the next question. The next question is given as 9 sec square A minus 9 10 square A is equal to what? This is a simple question actually, because we know a formula like sec squared A minus 10 squared A is equal to 1, and we will use this one after one step. So 9 sec square A minus 9 10 square A. If we take 9 as common and count it out, we'll get sec square A minus 10 square A, and it will be 9 into this whole quantity is equal to 1, so it will be 1, so answer is 9. Where is 9? This is the correct answer, option B. So that's all for this question. Let's move on to the next question, and the question is 3 cot theta is equal to 2, then find the value of tan theta. 3 cot theta is equal to 2. Can we write it as cot theta is equal to 2 divided by 3? Yes. And if we remember, cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta. So make the inverse of all these. Cot theta can be written as 1 by tan theta. So it will be 2 divided by 3. So tan theta, if we find tan theta, it will be 3 divided by 2. So this is the answer, 3 divided by 2. 3 divided by 2, B. So that's all. Let's move on to the next question. 8 cosec square A minus 8 cot square A is equal to what? This is also similar question. Cosec square A minus cot squared A is equal to 1. So you can assume now the answer. We can common out 8 from this, and it will be cosec square A minus cot squared A, and 8 into 1 is nothing but 8 again. So this will be the answer. Let's move on to the next one. The maximum value of 1 by cosec theta, and 1 by cosec theta is, we know that 1 by cosec theta is equal to sin theta. Actually, sin theta is inverse of 1 cosec theta, so 1 by sin cosec theta is equal to sin theta. So we need to write sin theta's maximum value, and it is nothing but 1. So do not make it weird. This is 1, sin theta's maximum value. That's it. Next question is sec 90 degree minus A is equal to. This is actually from identities, trigonometric identities. You will have to remember all these identities. Sec 90 degree minus A is equal to cosec 90 degree. So this is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. The value of an expression is given to us as cos 0 degree, cos 1 degree, cos 2 degree, and all these multiplied to up to cos 90 degree. A series is given to us, and all these quantities actually multiplied. So it's looking critical. Here you can see one thing, that you don't have to think about all the values of cos theta, because you already know that cos 90 degree is equal to 0. and when 0 will be multiplied to all of them, the total quantity will be 0. So 0 is the answer. So let's move on to the next one. If x cos a is equal to 1 and tan a is equal to y, then x square minus y square is equal to what? X cos a is equal to 1. X cos a is equal to 1. Suppose it is equation number 1. And another equation we are given, tan a is equal to y. Suppose this is equation number 2. And we'll have to find x square minus y square. This is the quantity of which we have to find the value. Now, if we simplify equation 1 as, suppose this was equation x cos a is equal to 1. If we simplify it for x, then we will get x is equal to 1 by cos a. And 1 by cos a is nothing but sec a. And it will be x is equal to sec a. This is equation number 3. So, now subtracting y square from x square, we will get sec square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. So this is x square minus y square is equal to 1. So 1 is the answer. Let's move on to the next question. Given that sin a is equal to half, sin a is equal to half, and cos b is equal to 1 by square root of 2, and we have to find the value of a plus b, this a plus this b. And if you remember, sin 30 degrees value was 1 by 2, and cos is 45 degree was equal to 1 upon square root of 2. So here we can see that a becomes equal to 30 and b becomes equal to 45. So a plus b will be 30 plus 45 degree. So it is nothing but 75 degree. So this is the answer. Let's move on to the next question, and it is the last question. If theta is equal to 45 degree, then the value of cosec square theta is equal to what? So theta is given as 45 degree, but cosec square theta and cosec square theta is nothing but cosec square 45 degree. Find it yourself. This is the only question for you, your homework. That's all.